Today we're going to be replacing the stock halogen bulbs with our DCR model on this 2012 Honda CR-V. To make the installation process easier, simply undo the 3 clips holding the fuse box in place and then just move the box over. Next, you'll want to disconnect the wiring harness from the bulb. Once the bulb has been disconnected, remove the dust cover. You will then push the clip in to release the stock halogen bulb. The design of these bulbs are very similar. The lower part of the bulb is for the high beam and the upper part of the bulb is for the low beam. Next, you will want to remove the base of the LED. If you try installing the LED without removing the base first, the clip will be blocked by the cooling fan. Once the base has been removed, insert it into the housing and secure it in place by pushing down the clip. Now it is important before installing the LED, you will want to adjust the positioning of the LED chips. They should be located side to side, not top to bottom. You will then want to put the LED through the dust cover. Last but not least, insert the LED into the headlight housing. You will feel the bulb pop into place, then push down on the dust cover to secure it.